or a bit under, placing it comfortably inside the top 10 cheapest vehicles to insure in the entire country. Base 2.5i trims tend to run at or just below that $2,000 mark, while the turbocharged 3.6R trims can land closer to $2,150 a year. That's a combination of strong crash test scores, low theft rates, and a buyer base that insurers have historically found low risk. For 2016 to 2019 model year specifically, you're getting Mazda's well-regarded Sky Active engineering, solid reliability scores, and a used price that's dropped enough to make this a genuinely budget-friendly pick, without the compromise you might expect from a budget SUV. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is the best-selling compact SUV in America for a reason, the Toyota RAV4. Used 2016 to 2019 models typically run $15,000 to $20,000, a touch higher than some rivals, but the long-term savings usually make up the difference fast. Like its sedan sibling the Camry, the RAV4 benefits enormously from Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability and inexpensive, widely available parts. But it also gets an extra insurance boost from being an SUV, and recent data consistently shows SUVs outperforming sedans when it comes to average insurance costs, largely due to lower accident severity and more favorable safety ratings. Average annual premiums land around $2,100 for full coverage on a typical driver profile, with base LE trims dipping closer to $2,000 and the sportier EX and Adventure trims running slightly above $2,100. Insurance data specifically singles out the RAV4 for earning top-tier savings on liability coverage, putting it in the same elite tier as the Outback and Honda CR-V. For a compact SUV, that's a huge advantage, especially if you're comparing it to flashier crossovers that carry the same price tag but a much steeper insurance bill. Used 2016 to 2019 RAV4s also hold their value well, which might sound like a downside for buyers, but it actually reflects strong long-term reliability, which is exactly the kind of track record insurers reward with lower premiums. And number 1, at the very top of our list, the undisputed champion of cheap insurance in 2026 is the Honda CR-V. Used models from this range typically sell for $14,000 to $18,000, right in line with the Camry, but with an even bigger insurance advantage.